Open Internet Explorer. Go to homepage. YouTube. Backspace. 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 YouTube. Backspace. Backspace. I'm just gonna type this in. Mouse grid. Mouse grid. Mouse grid. 5 4 5 2 2 click. Mouse grid. 4 8 5 6 2 click. Okay guys, now type in whatever you want. It's gonna say something really retarded here. Ready, wait. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. Like a boss.